Hi viewers. Welcome to my channel called Energy Derive. Today we are going to be talking about what a transistor is and its applications. We will design a circuit on how to use a transistor as a switch. We make content much easier and appropriate for better understanding for viewers. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Before we proceed, I recommend Proto Circuit Simulator app for everyone who wants to design any kind of electronic circuit. It is professional and accurate, that's what I use for my experimentation. It's available on Google Play Store. What is a transistor? A transistor is a semiconductor device that is used to amplify or switch electronic signals. It is composed of 3 layers of material, 2 types of semiconductor materials sandwiched with a thin layer of either positively or negatively charged material. These layers are called base, collector and emitter. The flow of current from the collector to the emitter is done by applying a voltage to its base. This voltage applied to its base allows current from the collector to flow to the emitter, which makes it work as a simple switch. The transistor can switch on with about 700 mV applied to the base terminal. This is a useful component in various electronic applications such as an amplifier, oscillators, switches and digital circuits. There are 2 main configurations of transistors. We have the NPN transistors and the PNP transistors. The NPN transistor switches on when there is current flowing through the base terminal. With this, the base and the collector are connected to the positive terminal of the battery. But for the PNP transistors, it switches on when there is no current flowing through the base terminal. With this, the base and the emitter are connected to negative terminal of the battery. This is a NPN transistor working as a simple switch. The base of the transistor is connected to the output of an IC. When the IC is triggered on, it allows current to flow through the output of the IC to the base of the transistor, which turns the transistor on, which causes the LED to turn on. But when the IC is off, there will be no current flowing through the output of the IC to the base of the transistor, which causes the transistor to turn off, causing the LED to turn off. In this circuit, we can see that the main circuit and the switch control circuit, which is the IC, has been linked together with a transistor acting as a switch, where the LED turns on and off by the IC. That's all about today's video. Thank you for watching.